In this video, I'll guide you through how to add items in Zoho Inventory, whether you're just getting started with your inventory setup or you're simply adding a new product. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you know exactly what to do and why you're doing it. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Inventory account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, your goal is to get to the Items section. This is where all of your products and services are stored and managed. Look for the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that navigation panel, find and click on Items. Once you click it, you'll be taken to a page that lists all the items you've already created. If this is your first time, this list might be empty, and that's completely fine. Now that you're on the Items page, you're ready to add something new. Look towards the top right corner of the screen for a button labeled New Item. This is your starting point for creating a fresh product or service entry in your inventory. Go ahead and click New Item. This will open up a form where you can enter all the details about what you're adding. The first important detail you'll see is the item name. This is how the item will appear across your system on invoices, bills, and reports. Type in a clear, descriptive name that you and your team will easily recognize. Try to avoid overly vague names. Instead, use something that would make sense even months from now when you're scanning through a long list of items. Next, enter the SKU, which stands for Stock Keeping Unit. This is a unique code you assign to the item to help you track it internally. It can be a combination of letters and numbers, and it should be unique for each product. If you already have a coding system in place, follow that here. If not, choose a format that's simple and consistent, such as a short prefix for the product category followed by a number. The key is to keep it unique and easy to search for later. Once the name and SKU are set, move on to the price. This is usually your selling price, the amount you charge your customers when this item appears on an invoice or a sales order. Enter the price carefully, double checking the currency and the value. If you use taxes or discounts, remember that this base price may be used in those calculations, so accuracy here will save you time later. After setting the price, add a description. The description is a great place to include more detail about what the item is, any important specifications, size, color, or usage notes. Think of this as a quick reference that helps you or anyone on your team instantly understand what the item is without needing to look it up elsewhere. A good description also helps prevent mistakes when similar items exist with slightly different features. When you're happy with the name, SKU, price, and description, take a moment to quickly review everything on the screen. Make sure there are no typos and the numbers look correct. Once it all looks good, scroll down if needed and click Save. Zoho Inventory will store the item and you'll be taken back to the items list where you should now see your new entry. That's all you need to do to add items in Zoho Inventory. You can repeat these same steps for each product or service you want to track, building out a clean, well-organized item list that keeps your inventory and sales running smoothly.